Hey guys, welcome back to the program. From the super powered AI tool that we were using, which is Synthesia, we are slightly moving towards another tool which not many people speak about, but I think it is a gold mine of activities that you can do in terms of video creation. Now, this tool, I picked this tool up from one of the podcasts episodes that I was watching, and this seemed to offer much more variety, much more quality than I would have to go ahead and do it myself if I had to start from scratch. For example, if you're talking about in video, you go ahead and put in a bunch of scripts that if you have, and then you can go ahead and start working on those scripts, and they go ahead and generate videos for you, which uses typically which typically uses a lot of stock footage that you have, right? But this one tool kind of blew me away in terms of the videos that I was able to create, the functionality that I have, the additional flexibility that I have in terms of not just sticking to one particular aspect, but I can execute a bunch of things. And the beauty of this tool is not many people have heard about it. So that makes it really interesting, and it makes it a must-have tool if you want to go all in on video creation powered by AI. So let's just step right into this platform where I show you hands-on of how things are done. So this tool is called Revid.ai, and this is what it looks like on the outside. But if you can go ahead and execute things, you will be blown away by the functionality that is offered. So let's go ahead from the scratch and see what it does. If you want to look at the pricing, we can also look at the pricing. Let's say Revid.ai. I think the basic package starts at $27 per month, if I am not wrong. And they also give you a bunch of free tools. So let's go ahead and look at the pricing. Let's say pricing. I think the basic package starts at about 29 or 39. Yeah, monthly. Right. So if you go ahead and get an annual package done, it costs you about $32 per month, which is multiplied by 12, which is $384 yearly. And I think if you want to go monthly, it is $39 per month. Full access video editor access about 3 million plus viral TikToks for inspiration. And then you have $39. I think this is a good offer. This is something which can go ahead and give you a lot more access than access to automations and other aspects. I would say I normally do not endorse tools, but I think this is definitely a worth try, and you will know why I say that in a while. So let's go ahead and let's look at why I say that. Let's go to Revid.ai. You will go ahead and have access to a lot more other things that you can generate once you get a pro access or a paid access, right? So let's look at this to start with. Enter a tweet URL. So let's go to Twitter or x.com, which is now what it is called as. Let's pick up something random. Let's say, okay, let's look at this. Right? So this is a tweet that I would want to repurpose. So let's go back here. Oh, you just need the URL. So just take the post URL, come here, give the URL, right? Select the voice. You can go ahead and select a voice. Let's say, this is Lily, this is Dania, this is Brian. My favorite has always been Brian because it's got that typical AI voice which kind of suits everything. Moving AI images or stock videos, you have options to go ahead and do that. Let's choose AI video. It costs you credit, but it said it was free. So let's see how that happens. To use a custom image to cartoonify, which I don't have at the moment. So I choose one reference. And I'm just going to say generate video, continue with Google. Let's sign up using, okay, I need okay. That's about it. So now I'm able to sign in. All right. So Twitter URL, the tweet URL, Brian, moving AI images. Let's say AI video, or let's try with moving AI images. Specify the mood, whatever, generate video. Okay, this needs to be a paid one. I don't know why they say it's a free version. Right. Okay. So that's not working out. So let's come here. Let's go to dashboard. Right. You can get the first video script plus one free credit. So obviously to access all the functionality, you would need a pro access. So let's go back to the pro account itself just to make sure how this works. So let's go to the pro account. Let's create a new video. right? So you have an empty project that you can create AI TikTok video generator, tweet or X to video, right? So this is what we were looking at. Let's try how this works. And then Brian, and then, right? And then you say generate video. The moment you say generate video, it is going to go ahead and generate a video based upon the tweet post that you have given. It goes ahead and generates it in the meantime. So in the meantime, let's look at what are all the other aspects which are possible. You can add captions to your videos like these, like subtitles. You can create a website review video. You can make a AI movie maker, audio to video. Then you have music to video. Let's see what are all the ones that I have done so far, so that you get an idea of what is possible. So I think this is something where this was done using audio to video, where I just inputted my audio and it went ahead and started creating a video for my specific requirement. So if you play this, right? So this is just a text input that I had given, and look at the amazing. So this is just a text input that I had given. Look at how amazing the footage looks. This is all generated on the fly. I did not input any images. I did not give any references. It just went ahead and picked it up by itself. Now the next tool that next aspect that I would love to talk about is this one where I have my own voice in there. I think this one. Let's play this. Isn't just a bustling city. It's a treasure trove. No, this is also a text to video, but there is something where I had done with my own voice. This one, yeah. So I just input my voice and then it went ahead and created amazing video, which I really like. Let's play. Unbelievable budget-friendly paradise in India. Varanasi. No, I think this is also not right. So let's go back to see if our project is done. Home, queue. Come on. Anyway, so let's go back to tweet to X, give the tweet URL, leave these as it is, choose Brian. This is the background audio. And then you can upload your own custom audio if you want in terms of backgrounds. These are all the available AI voices that you have. You can go ahead and replicate your own voice using 11 Labs, where it will be spoken in your own audio. Then you have generate video. Right, it's just building it. So let's hold on until it finishes it. All right, so it looks like it's done. So I'm just gonna go play this. So this is tweet from the tweet URL that you have posted to the AI video, right? So let's try. It used stock footage, looks like.
Cut it up into 3 LinkedIn posts. Cut those up into 8 tweets. Turn the tweets into videos. Post them on TikTok and Instagram. Turn the blog into a YouTube video. Send a summary to your email list. 1 piece of content equals 22 pieces of content. Write a blog
right
post.
So this is primarily used AI, the text from the tweet. It went ahead and started generating AI stock footage, and then it went ahead and purposed a video out of it, right? So basically that's how it's done. So if you look at create a new video again, these are all the options. LinkedIn post to video. You can go ahead and paste a LinkedIn URL that you have, and then it'll go ahead and pick something. Let's say if you want to look at, let's actually pick up a LinkedIn post or. Right. So that was about the video that you can generate from a tweet post or a LinkedIn post, right? You could also go ahead and let's see if I can pull up my LinkedIn to see if we can actually make a LinkedIn post from one of the text posts that I have made. So let's go to my posts and activity. I'm just going to pick one of my LinkedIn posts that I recently made. There is a lot of videos that I made recently, but let's see if I have a text post that I made. These are all my videos. Okay, let's say I'm just going to copy this and I'm just going to try. Okay, this post URL is important, right? Copy link to the post. I'm just going to go ahead and go to Revid. I'm going to go to my create a new video, LinkedIn to post. I'm just going to pause it. And I'm just going to say generate. That's going to go ahead and generate it in a while. So let's wait for a few seconds. All right, so it looks like this video is done. Let's look at what this was able to do for my LinkedIn post, which was a text-based post. Let's see what happens when you convert that into a video.
Key to professional success. Create a killer profile with a standout photo and compelling headline. Network like a boss. Connect with industry leaders and join relevant groups. Share your expertise through posts and articles. Embrace LinkedIn's tools to find dream jobs and advance your career. Don't just exist online. Thrive professionally. Make LinkedIn work for you and watch your opportunities multiply. LinkedIn is your key to professional success. Create a killer profile with a standout photo and compelling headline.
So basically what it has done is, I don't think it was accurate in what it gave me, because it went ahead and started making generic stuff which was not a part of the article or the post that I had made, right? So that could be some of the drawbacks once in a while. So let's go back and fix that. So go home and then let's create a generate script. Tell us a bit more and this is where you are just going, this is not a how-to video, is it? Let's just paste it. Quick glimpse of AI powered lead scoring, enhanced precision. So this is not a how-to video. So I'm just going to say this is a listicle. Right. So based upon that, I'm going to make a 30-second video, and then I'm just going to say generate stories. It's going to go ahead and write scripts for me. So this tool is not just a text to video or video to video or audio to video tool. It is also going to go ahead and write scripts for you. Right now, once I have these stories, I'm just going to see which of them suits my requirement. Unleash the power of AI script lead scoring, enhanced precision predicts blah, blah, blah. Efficiency skyrockets as mundane tasks get automated. Okay. I'm just going to say, just to check, give me some real world examples. Do you see how you can, even though everybody has the same tools, you can go ahead and make sure that you generate really good articles or videos out of how you think and how you want the output to be, right? So not everybody may be using the same tool, but not everybody may be using the same thing, that the same process that you have. So it's important. That's why I say tools are not important, processes are important. So I'm just going to say generate stories. It's going to give me a fresh list of stories. AI lead scoring is revolutionizing, real-time insights, Netflix uses AI. Now you see how it has changed the whole thing to real world scenarios where it goes ahead and tells you what happens in the real world. AI lead scoring is reshaping sales, enhanced precision predicts top converting leads, real-time insights. But let's get real. HubSpot's AI lead scoring increased conversions by 30%. Okay, pretty much the same. So I'm just going to copy this, or I'm just going to say create video from here. It should be able to go ahead and do that. So this is moving AI images. I just want to see how AI video looks like, even if it costs me a credit. And then I'm going to say more options. This is the how do you want that to look like? What do you want to look like? What do you want the video to look like in terms of subtitles? I'm just going to say generate video and wait for it to get processed. All right, so this is done, which is about AI driven lead scoring. Let's see what it looks like. I hope you're able to hear the video. If you're not, then probably I'll have to send a video version of it offline. Okay, let's go.
Buckle up for mind-blowing AI lead scoring examples. 1. Netflix predicts what you'll watch next.
Wow, this is good.
Accuracy. 2. Amazon's AI
Do you see how the
recommends products you didn't know you needed.
hold on.
3. Spotify creates personalized playlists that keep you hooked.
Do you see how the logos are matched appropriately to the actual logos? I don't think I have seen such accuracy in a lot of areas. I strongly recommend this tool to people.
Salesforce Einstein scores leads 3x more accurately than humans. 5. HubSpot's predictive lead scoring boosts conversion rates by 30%. 6. Marketo's AI identifies high-value leads before they even reach out. 7. Pardot's automated lead nurturing increases engagement by 50%. These real-world examples show AI's power to transform lead scoring, skyrocketing conversions, and efficiency. Don't get left behind. Embrace AI.
It is also relevant, right? It is also relevant. It gets your attention, gets the job done.
Buckle up for
I love it.
mind-blowing AI lead scoring examples.
So you can go ahead and add effects if you want. Let's say we add a zoom in effect and then we try and see if there is any animation for captions. I don't need anything for captions. How about zoom in? I think sounds interesting. Let's see how that changes. Okay, and then
Next, with 80% accuracy. 2. Amazon's AI.
so this is the text animation, right? And what I'm impressed about is how it goes ahead and adds appropriate images, whether it is Amazon or whether it is for HubSpot, right? So that is one interesting thing that you can do. If you want, you can go ahead and export it, or if you want, you can go ahead and change the aspect ratio. For example, if you look at this, it was a 9:16 video, right? You can go ahead and change this to 16:9, right? So, and it changes everything.
Buckle up for mind-blowing AI lead scoring examples. 1. Netflix.
I love this.
Watch next with 80% accuracy. 2. Amazon's
Brilliant.
AI recommends products.
Right. So I think that's something that's interesting. What else do we have? Let's go ahead. You can generate new scripts, create a new video is something that we are looking at. Set up auto mode is new. Okay, this is something which I have reserved for the next session. So hold on until we get there because it's brilliant what this tool can do. Generate scripts. It can go ahead and write scripts for you, which we have seen. And the video that we just made was from one of these scripts. So empty project, AI caption to video, which means that add caption to video, which means you have a video, you upload it, it goes ahead and generates subtitles for you. So this tool is like one in all, if you ask me. Then you have YouTube clip maker. You have a YouTube URL that you would want to enter, pick your parameters. It just goes ahead and generates a video from that, right? Then you have AI talking avatar. I tried custom avatar, but I didn't have the time. I guess I just have to go ahead and create a video of me speaking, and then it goes ahead and replicates any text that I give in the tone and the avatar showing me speaking. But if you pay close attention, you will get to know that the movement is not seamless, and you get to figure out that this is an AI generated. So I didn't want to run into that situation. And what else? So this is interesting. Right. So for even if you're okay with showing people that this is an AI generated video, it makes sense. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. You can go ahead and write shorter, more engaging, and continue writing. You have AI face swap. Okay, let's see if this does anything. I am just going to say allow, and I'm just recording here. So okay, the text will auto scroll when it starts. Let's go ahead and use some sample text. Okay, lead scoring process. I'm just going to copy some random AI text. Okay, come back to Revid. You just put your copy here. Oh, I think I'll have to copy it first and then read the whole thing, right? And then record myself. Okay, let's try doing it again. Let's try doing it again. If you want, you can go ahead and choose your avatar. Right? Okay, hold on. You can swap the face, I feel. Let's choose this AI video. Let's go ahead and record this, okay? Start recording. Lead scoring is a process that ranks leads based on their interest in a product or service and how ready they are to buy. It helps sales and marketing teams identify the best leads to prioritize and to align their follow-up efforts. So I stop recording. It's uploading now. Okay, I think this is the one, right?
Leads based on their interest in a product or service and how ready they are to buy.
Okay, I have recorded myself. I've chosen my custom avatar. Let's go ahead and generate a video. I'm thrilled. This is the first time I'm doing. I'm actually trying this for the first time because I never wanted to use an AI avatar of myself when I could do it myself. But let's see how this turns out. Let's give it a few seconds. Let's give it a few seconds to see what the output is going to be. So basically, this is going to go ahead and replicate what I recorded using face swap feature. I don't know if it's going to use the same custom avatar or some new avatar. Let's see. All right, so this is done, and I'm really, really excited. Let's see how good, bad, or ugly this has turned out to be. Okay. Okay, let's play this.
Leads based on their interest in a product or service and how ready they are to buy. It helps sales and marketing teams identify the best leads to prioritize.
Not quite there, because this has used my avatar and it has also used my video. But then I kind of find it is still not quite there. And people can figure out that this is an AI generated video, which is not that great. It's badly done, to be honest. So apart from that, I think it was a good effort. So that's about it. So you can do all sorts of things with this one tool, and that is one particular reason I love this. Because there is also something called as article to video, where you can share a blog article and then it goes ahead and generates video from raw text, turn a Reddit post into a video. You can comment on a silent video where you just have a motorbike video that you have not done anything, and then you can just upload that file or a YouTube link, and then it goes ahead and does the scripting and the captions for that, which is pretty good if you ask me. So that's about it. I think this is a wonderful tool that anybody can go ahead and try. There's something called as hooks, which will generate hooks for you for your video, to hook the audience in the first few seconds. And the only thing that we would be needing to look at is auto mode, I think, because that is where it was speaking about something that looks like an AI agent. If you ask me, I mean, you would really love this tool if you go ahead and give it a try. So I am not affiliated. I'm not pushing this as yet. I don't know if by the time this course comes out, if I would be affiliated. But even if I'm affiliated, I'm not planning to go ahead and share you the affiliate URL. I've given you the name. You can go ahead and check it automatically. So thank you so much, and I really appreciate you sticking by. And this was slightly long tutorial, but I know you love tools, and this one couldn't have been better. So stay tuned for the next part of this video of this tool, where we would be looking at what the auto mode and new worker does, and what the auto mode and creating workers helps you with. Thank you so much. Until next time, this is Casey. See you in the next session.